The last step in this process, and this goes back to something we talked about in the first video, we actually originally saved this as a project, not as a template file. And the reason why we did that is we wanted to show you that you could take an existing project file, say for example, you've done all this for another project and you really like how you've laid everything out and it really works. Now what we can do is you can go to File, Save As a template file. Just going to save that here. And then what I usually do is go into 3D and delete everything, and then save it again. As you know, our sheets and everything stay there. Looks like I need to apply a view template to this view, so just going to go through everything. View template there. So it looks like everything is set up and ready to go. So now just save this once more. Exit out of all these views. And so now when you want to use that template file, you go to New and you go to Browse. And you just grab your tutorial template here that you've created and you click Open. And it opens up, and it'll actually, you see up here at the top, it'll actually say Project 1, and all your views are blank, so you can get ready to start putting a building in here, and it'll show up on all the views. And so this way now you've saved all this time of setting all this stuff up, and you've cleaned up the graphics a little bit on a few things, so it'll make your process a lot more efficient. The last thing I'll show you is, if you notice on mine that I actually have my template located right here. To set that up, you go to File, Options, and you add your template file under File Locations, and then you just click this plus button here and you can add your tutorial template there. And now you'll see you might need to exit and reopen. It looks like there's a bit of a maximum for this area up here. So if you go to you go to New, down, and you can see it right here, tutorial file, and then you can click New there. There you have it. There's your own personal template. If you have any questions, or if you'd like to request any other features to add to this template, let me know. This is more of a design template, but in a typical construction template we can add schedules and legends and details and stuff, and that could all be a part of your standard template.